ICMSE is an International Center for Microfinance and Social Enterprise, which actually we set up with the objective that microfinance institution can accommodate capital market resources because it hasn't perfect legal entity where money can come and where profit can be shared with the shareholders. And we have initiated already 3 different projects. One is dairy farm, okay, and seed development center. Along with that, we have energy program and low-cost housing program. So this is our dairy farm, which actually we set up in 2007. An objective of to create a model farm where local community people will come here and learn how to raise a good cow. Because Bangladesh, in average, the cows is very lean and thin, and their daily production is not more than 3 liters to 4 liters. So that's why this farm has all the crossbreeding cow from Australia, mainly is Haryana, Jersey, and this cow can produce minimum 15 liters to 25 liters of milk. So this farm works as a model farm. In addition, it works as an exposure center and training center, because ICMSE is organizing training once in a month where local farmers invited and we showed them farm. In addition, we gave them some theoretical classes along with some information about vaccination, medication, and artificial insemination. So this is the main target for ICMSE dairy farm in Bogra, to become one of the best dairy farm in Bangladesh, and very soon it will be one of the biggest. In the same time, this ICMSE dairy farm is well connected with European farm. Those are very good in dairy or milk industry like a Danone, and objective is that to attract more capital so that they can come to Bangladesh and invest more money in the dairy sector. In the same time, they can buy back all the product for yogurt production. So this ICMSE dairy farm is a very valid partner or very potential partner of Danone Gramin joint venture, which we call Shakti Doi, and 30% of the milk we supply from here for the Shakti Doi production, which is addressing the nutrition issue, because Bangladeshi children, they have lack of good and pure drinking milk. It is not available because national production is very less and whole country is dependent on the powder milk. Another thing, this dairy farm is absolutely green farm, organic farm. Why it is green organic farm? Whatever feed we are feeding the cow is very natural. So no chemical, okay, nothing we are using for the cow. All feeding elements or feed elements is from the natural farm, like paddy, the straw, and all the others grains like maize, corns, etc., etc. And in the same time, this farm would be very soon transformed as a green farm, and all the energy we have to produce energy for the farm from sun. So solar energy and biogas plant will be built very soon, so that we can brave enough to say that this is a green farm, not only in terms of feeding the cow this natural feed grain, but also all the energy what we are using, that is from the renewable energy sources, either solar or the biogas. Okay. Simultaneously, we will take care of the waste management so that it will not any way damage the local environment or natural green environment. So this farm will be example in terms of ensuring green energy product, producing green milk, and also use green energy, and also managing the day-to-day waste and convert that waste as a source of energy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.